Welcome to the Science and Engineering Challenge, where over 500,000 students from across the country have experienced hands-on STEM activities, building bridges, designing hovercrafts, and even returning to Mars. And for many, it all started here. A single spark can ignite a lifelong passion and a future career.
Hey everyone, I'm Declan. I'm a safety and airworthiness engineer.
STEM is everywhere. Engineering, technology, medicine, space exploration.
My job is to make sure the design of aircraft and how they operate is safe and meets regulations.
This isn't just learning, it's doing.
Creative ways that they need to solve a variety of different problems.
We're giving the students real-world challenges.
This makes what they're learning in school much more relatable.
It's just normalising the girls and STEM.
Days like today really gives them that courage and that kind of platform to be independent learners. They can actually use some of this and their skills and learn from.
The thrill of discovery is contagious, and the excitement is real. And it doesn't stop here. Keep exploring with the NextGen STEM Hub, packed with career quizzes, teacher resources, and tools to keep the excitement going. Ready to take on the challenge? Visit NextGen STEM to learn more and get involved. The future of STEM starts today, and it starts with you.